Hi, myself Mohammad Sulaiman Khan and I'm an electrical engineer graduate and I've recently completed a BIM course at GDH Academy. Before joining this course, I was having completely no idea about how BIM and how the construction industry operates. But as I progressed through this course, I have gained a deep understanding of how BIM industry works, especially with the integration of mechanical, electrical and plumbing systems, which are really crucial for every project. The most appreciable thing that I have gained at GDH Academy was the dedication of the faculty. The faculty we have at GDH Academy, they have really an amazing way of teaching the students in a really simple and understandable manner. And along with that, they have also assigned a hands-on projects so that we can apply the knowledge that we have experienced in the class in a practical manner. I'm so grateful to the GDH Academy that I have completed through this course and I have secured an internship in BIM industry. And to the viewers who are watching this video, I recommend highly to take this BIM course at GDH Academy if you want to looking forward to build a career in industry. Thank you GDH Academy giving me this opportunity to enhance my skills over this industry.